So next is the larder control. When we talk about larder control, it is responsible for portioning, cost cutting, eye on storage temperature, inspection of quantity and quality of products. Clear? So the first is portioning. When we talk about portioning, we use various types of tools to measure, to portion the dishes so that we can calculate the weight of the dishes and we can price them accordingly. Clear? And it is necessary to do the portioning because the total profit or loss is depend on the portioning. So the larder control department is responsible for uh, the to focus on the portioning, and the portioning is done with the cutting of the meat items, taking the appropriate joint from the meats in an appropriate weight, and by using the tools. For example, we use the weighing scale to measure the weight. We use the ladles for measuring the liquid. Okay, and there is a set measurement for the dishes. For example, when we are going to serve the chicken to the customer, we do portioning. The chicken will be served 150 gram a piece. Okay, that is a standard. So we have set a portioning that all the chicken preparations will be served not more than 150 gram. Clear? If we are going to make chapati, then we have to take one round ball of dough that must have approximately 60 to 70 gram. Clear? So this is all about the portioning, where the larder chef in the larder kitchen decides the accurate and appropriate weight of the meat items. The purpose behind doing the portioning is to minimize the cost, because if we are going to use the perishable items and we do not use them according to the weight, then it can increase our cost. And as we know that the perishable items are they do not have shelf life, they spoil very easily, so it is necessary to handle them in an appropriate manner. It is the duty of larder chef to run the larder kitchen efficiently and economically. Therefore, he should exercise the strictest possible control over the food stuff that is received and stored in the department, the kitchen. Okay, what are the essentials and importance of larder control? The first is the chef must check the quality of the goods received, their freshness, and their fragrance. He also must check the quantity of all goods delivered to the larder kitchen. Once the goods are received, then he ensure that all foodstuffs are stored at an appropriate or required temperature and they can be easily checked. The appropriate storage temperature protects the food from contamination by vermin. Okay, vermin is a kind of bacteria that deteriorate the perishable items. Then the main control is to focus on the portion control, because that may increase the cost of the final products and may become a big reason of loss as well. For example, the prescribed or given weight of meat or fish or vegetables, etc., should always produce the required number of portions of steaks, fish fillet, salad, or others. इफ वी फोकस ऑन द रेसिपी, द स्टैंडर्ड रेसिपी, तो आपने देखा होगा कि कोई भी एक स्टैंडर्ड रेसिपी जो बनती हैं तो उसके अंदर जो है कुछ पॉइंट्स पे फोकस किया जाता है कि कौन कौन से इंग्रेडिएंट्स ले जाएंगे, उनकी कितनी क्वांटिटी होगी, कितने लोगों के लिए बनेगा, एंड कितने टेम्परेचर पे उसको कुक किया जाएगा, उसका मेथड क्या होगा बनाने का। ठीक है, तो उसमें जो है मेन क्या है, पोर्शन कंट्रोल के लिए कि हम जो क्वांटिटी ले रहे हैं इंग्रेडिएंट्स की, जब हम उसको फाइनल प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो वो कितने लोगों के लिए बनेगा, 4 लोगों के लिए बनेगा या 5 लोगों के लिए बनेगा या 6 लोगों के लिए बनेगा। तो उसमें क्या है, पर पोर्शन जो है हमें ये आइडिया हो जाता है कि एक पोर्शन में हमें कितना इंग्रेडिएंट्स लेना है और हमें कैसे उसको जो है बनाना है। ठीक है, ये बल्क जो क्वांटिटी बनाते हैं उसमें भी हेल्प करता है, और अगर इंडिविजुअल अगर कोई जो है प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो उसमें भी ये हेल्प करता है। ठीक है, तो पोर्शन कंट्रोल जरूरी है लार्डर किचन में। It is imperative to regularly turn over the stock of food on the basis of FIFO, that is first in first out, and LIFO, that is last in first out. Okay, then the final product must be well presentable and it should not overcook, that may spoil the dish. To regulate the control in the larder kitchen, a stock sheet is maintained on daily basis, and this sheet is submitted to the chef larder at the end of the day to enable him to write out his orders from the following or for the next day. So it is the duty of all staff in the larder kitchen to maintain highest possible standard of hygiene to prevent any deterioration in the food under his control. Every precaution should be taken to discourage pilferage. Clear? Then the larder chef at a set of time on each day notifies the chefs about the stocks, cooked or raw material remaining. The waste out of the cuts is not thrown by the chefs because they are used for the other preparations. Clear? Then why we need the stock sheet? Because the stock sheet helps to maintain the records during rush hours mostly time, and it is unable to take the inventory in rush hours. Therefore, the stock sheet helps to take the inventory and to keep the records. Then the stock sheet helps to keep stock and order sheet simple and easy, because we know that how much stock is in our hand and what are the ingredients we have to order from the supplier. Then this sheet helps in devising the task in a very easy and simple manner. The larder chef is capable to predict the quantity of the end day items. Okay, he must have that much capable that he see the item and he can calculate the accurate weight of the ingredients. Clear? So sometimes it happens that in a lengthy rush hour, he is unable to do so. So therefore, these stock sheets helps him to calculate and measure the quantity of the ingredients. Then the stock sheet helps to keep the records of the costly items such as chicken, meat, fish, as they can spoil easily, or the milk and milk products, because these are also come in the perishable items. So this is the format of stock sheet: items, unit, stock, unit price, cost in rupees, order. Okay, tomato unit in is kg 4, then cucumber unit kg, stock 3, then eggs unit dozen, stock 3, olive oil 3, vinegar 3 and a half. Okay, third fourth, sardines 10 में आता है and 5. Clear? So this is the format.